Which question? Exercise. 12 is also present. Exercise 1C. I have just called out. Whoever had joined, will just write down your division roll number in the chat box. I will consider. Sir. 8th one. 8th one. 8th one. If x is 2 root 3, if x is 2 root 3, x is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, x is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, then find 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, find 1 upon x, second, x plus 1 upon x, and third is x plus 1 upon x whole square. Third is x plus 1 upon x whole square. X plus 1 upon x whole square. Is it clear? So now let us find this, no problem. So solution is x is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Yes. So what you can write is, now we want to find 1 upon x. So 1 upon x means taking reciprocal. Now we take reciprocal. Taking reciprocal. So 1 upon x will be 1 upon 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. So 1 upon x is 1 upon, see, you will rationalize denominator, but denominator there is common, no? What is common in the denominator? Yes? What is common in the denominator, my dear? 2 is common. So 2 is common. So that is root 3 plus root 2. Correct? Now whenever you want to solve the division of rational and irrational, you have to rationalize denominator. So rationalize the denominator. Rationalize denominator. So this will be 1 upon x will be, yes, what is the lowest rationalizing factor? Yes, tell me. Root 3 minus root 2. So multiply and divide by root 3 minus root 2. So 1 into root 3 minus root 2 divide by 2 into root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2. So 1 upon x is root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2 divide by 2 into, yes, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. No. It is very much clear. So again rejoin. No. So that will be 2. That will be root 3 square. Root 3 square minus root 2 square. Root 3 square minus root 2 square. So 1 upon x. 1 upon x. 1 upon x. Root 3 minus root 2 upon 2. Yes. So 1 upon x. 1 upon x is 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 upon 2 into root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 upon x is root 3 minus root 2 upon 2 into 1. So 1 upon x is root 3 minus root 2. 1 upon x is root 3 minus root 2. Sorry, root 3 minus root 2 upon 2. Yes, upon 2 is also there. Upon 2 is also there. Now, let's simplify that. So 1 upon x is root 3 minus root 2 upon 2, correct? Now what we want to find? What you want to find? X plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x. So you just put the value of x and 1 by x. X is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 1 by x. 1 by x is root 3 minus root 2 upon 2. So just simplify that. X plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x. LCM. You have to find LCM. Yes. So now x plus 1 upon x. No. Everything is proper. You just, whenever screen is there, just now I have checked, it is coming clear. 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2 upon 2. So there is nothing in the denominator, means denominator is 1. So now you take LCM of 1 and 2. You make the denominator 2. So this I will multiply by 2. So x plus 1 upon x is 2 into 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2. I am writing directly. Root 3 minus root 2 whole divided by 2. So x plus 1 upon x. Now you open the bracket. 2 into 2 root 3 will be 4 root 3 plus 2 into 2 root 2 will be 4 root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2 upon 2. So x plus 1 upon x. You can take the like term together. 4 root 3 and root 3. You can add. So what that will be? You can take root 3 common. Then what is left? 4 plus 1. No. What is coefficient of 1? What is coefficient of root 3? Coefficient of root 3 is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So that is 5 root 3. 4 root 2 plus minus root 2. Coefficient of root 2 is 1. So 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 root 2 upon 2. Upon 2. This is the value of x plus 1 by x. Now what is asked? Third part. X plus 1 upon x whole square. Third part is x plus 1 upon x whole square. So square both the sides. Third is x plus 1 upon x whole square. Third is x plus 1 upon x whole square. So find out x plus 1 upon x whole square. X plus 1 upon x whole square will be 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 whole square. So you have to square numerator, you have to square denominator. So that will be 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 whole square upon 2 square. Upon 2 square. A upon b whole square. A upon b raised to n will be a raised to n upon b raised to n. So now use the formula a plus b whole square. So that is a square. 25 into 3, 75. I am writing directly. Plus 2 into 5, 10, 10. No, 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 3, 30. 30 root 6. Are you getting? How we have got 30 root 6? 2ab. 2 into 5 in 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 3 is 30, root 3 into root 2 will be root 6. Plus 3 root 2 square, 9 2s are 18. Upon 2 square is 4. So 75 plus 18. You cannot add these two because there is root 6. There is no root 6. 75 plus 18 is 93. हाँ 93 plus 30 root 6 upon 4. So we write x plus 1 upon x whole square is 93 plus 30 root 6 upon 4. This is the answer. Here, this is the answer. Now, ninth one. Ninth one. Is it clear this part? So, to find 1 upon x, we take reciprocal and then we rationalize the denominator. To find 1 upon x, we take reciprocal and then we rationalize the denominator. So even though I am providing you the videos, but you write this thing in the notebook, because it may happen that when the school will reopen, our first work will be correction of the notebook. So you write simultaneously everything in the notebook. Now 10th one. 9th one. Okay, let me do 9th one. 9th one. X is equal to 1 minus root 2. X is equal to 1 minus root 2. Then find the value of x minus 1 upon x whole cube. Find 1 upon x minus 1 upon x whole cube. Okay. So let us solve this. 1 upon x. So x is 1 minus root 2. To find 1 upon x, we take reciprocal, that is 1 upon 1 minus root 2. So now this is division of irrational. Yes, so multiply and divide by rationalizing factor. So rationalizing denominator. Rationalizing denominator on right hand side. So you will get 1 upon x is multiply and divide by 1 plus root 2. So that is 1 plus root 2, I am writing directly, divided by 1 minus root 2 into 1 plus root 2. So 1 upon x is 1 plus root 2 divided by a minus b into a plus b will be 1 square minus root 2 square. 1 square minus root 2 square. So 1 upon x is 1 plus minus 1. Yes, that minus sign you can take in the numerator, no problem. So 1 upon x is 1 plus root 2 upon 1 minus 2. 1 upon x is 1 plus root 2. 1 plus root 2 upon 1 minus 2. Root 2 square is 2. So that is 1 plus root 2. 1 plus root 2 upon minus 1. Now this minus sign you can take in the numerator. So 1 upon x will be minus of 1 plus root 2. So when you open the bracket, you will get 1 upon x as minus 1 minus root 2. Are you getting? 1 upon x will be minus 1 minus root 2. Followed? This minus sign I can take in the numerator, then when we open the bracket, each one of them will be minus sign. Minus 1, minus into plus will be minus root 2. Now we want to find x minus 1 upon x whole cube. To find x minus 1 upon x whole cube, first we find x minus 1 upon x. First we find x minus 1 upon x. So now we consider x minus 1 upon x. X minus 1 upon x. Just put the value of x. X is 1 minus root 2. 1 minus root 2. Then minus 1 by x. What is 1 by x? Minus 1 minus root 2. Yes. So x minus 1 upon x is 1 minus root 2 minus. Now you open the bracket. Minus will be plus 1. Then minus will be plus root 2. Then minus root 2 and plus root 2 get cancelled. So x minus 1 upon x is 2. Now we want to find cube. Yes, taking cube on both the sides. Yes. So taking cube on both the sides. Answer is 8. Correct. Answer is 8. Answer is 8. So x minus 1 upon x. Now we consider x minus 1 upon x cube. So that will be 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So x minus 1 upon x whole cube is equal to 8. And this is the answer. Clear? So in all this type of problem, whenever we have division of irrational, we rationalize the denominator. Multiply and divide. Then 10th one, x is 5 minus 2 root 6. X is 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 minus 2 root 6. Then find x square plus 1 upon x square. Find x square plus 1 upon x square. Yes, now what student they do in the examination? They find square of this, then they take reciprocal and then they add, then they simplify. This calculation becomes complicated. So don't no, my dear, no. Yes, 2 is not there, my dear. See the difference. A square plus b square. A square plus b square. I cannot write a plus b whole square. Just you remember. A square plus b square. I cannot write a plus b whole square. As what is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This 2ab is not there, my dear. 2ab is not there, no. So I cannot write a plus b whole square as a square plus b square. No. So let us solve this if you want. So first we find 1 upon x, because you can see 1 upon x square. So don't directly square it. What student they do? Some of the students, they find x square, then they take reciprocal, then they add, and then they simplify. Calculation becomes complicated. Don't directly square and add them. So your first job will be to find 1 upon x. First job will be to find 1 upon x. So find 1 upon x. X is 5 minus 2 root 6. So 1 upon x will be 1 upon 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 minus 2 root 6. Now rationalize denominator. Yes, rationalizing denominator. What you will get? 1 upon x will be 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 5 minus 2 root 6 into 5 plus 2 root 6. So 1 upon x is 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6 upon a minus b into a plus b. What is that? 5 square minus 2 root 6 square. 2 root 6 square. So 1 upon x is 5. Yes, 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 5 square is 25 minus 2 square is 4. 4 6 are 24. Root 6 square will be 6. 2 square is 4. So 25 minus 24. 25 minus 24. We'll see. We'll see what is there. So 1 upon x is 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 25 minus 24 is 1. So 1 upon x is 5 plus 2 root 6. Correct. We have found. Now don't again square it. Now what students they do in the examination? They find x square. Now you will square this and then you will add. Calculation becomes complicated. I will not advise you square and add it. After finding 1 upon x, you find x plus 1 upon x. You find, see, there is a formula. A plus b whole square. Now see this, a plus b, this part should not be written, I am writing. What is a plus b whole square? Tell me, what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab, correct? So I can write a plus b whole square. I can write a square plus b square as a plus b whole square minus 2ab, no? Yes or no? A square plus b square, I can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab, correct? Similarly, what is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab, no? So again what I can write a square plus b square. A square plus b square, I can write a minus b whole square plus 2ab. A square plus b square, I can write a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So there are two formulas to find a square plus b square. When you are writing a plus b whole square, then it is minus 2ab. Whenever it is plus, it is minus. Whenever it is minus, it is plus. So anyway, now you have x and 1 upon x both. So any formula can be used. So what you can do, either you can find a plus b or a minus b. Are you getting? So now let us find. So now we write what is x plus 1 upon, now we find x plus 1 upon x. Chalo. You can also find x minus 1 upon x. What is x plus 1 upon x? X is 5 minus 2 root 6. Then what is 1 upon x? 5 plus 2 root 6. No? Are you getting? What is x? So minus 2 root 6 get cancelled with plus 2 root 6. So x plus 1, x plus 1 upon x is 10. Now use this formula, square it to, because you want to find square, no? So squaring both the side. Squaring both side, you will get x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 10 square. But you want to find x square plus 1 upon x square. You don't want to find x plus 1 upon x whole square. So now this we simplify, a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2 into x into 1 by x 2ab plus b square 1 upon x square is equal to 100. Correct? Now this x, yes, x get cancelled. So it is 2. So x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square is 100. So now you take 2 on the other side. So x square plus 1 upon x square is 100 minus 2. And that is 98. So the answer is 98. Are you getting? The answer is 98. The answer is 98. So you can also use this formula also. You want to use this formula a minus b, then you will find x minus 1 upon x. Then you will find x minus 1 upon x whole square. The same answer you will get. Got it? Is it clear? Yes. So to find, now remember always, a square plus b square is not equal to a plus b whole square. A square plus b square is not equal to a plus b whole square. A square plus b square is not equal to a plus b whole square. What is a square plus b square? Formulas: a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or a square plus b square is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. That's all. Now which one? 11th. 11th. Show that 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6, 1 upon root 7 minus root 6, root 7 minus root 6, minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5, root 6 minus root 5, plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2, 1 upon root 5 minus 2 is equal to 5. Show that this value is equal to 5. Correct? So we are given left hand side as this value and right hand side is 5. So you have to simplify left hand side and check whether it is equal to 5. Correct? So yes, you have to rationalize the denominator of each term, that's all. So let me solve this. Or you want homework? Tell me. Let me solve one problem of this type. No homework, my dear. Let me solve one problem of this type because these are different. So what you will do? 1 upon, so consider this left hand side. Consider 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2. You have to rationalize the denominator of each. So rationalize the denominator of each. You have to rationalize the denominator of each. Yes, separately, and then you can put the value. Let me write in together, no problem. You can write separately. So this will be 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 plus 2 root 2. I am writing directly. Minus 2 root 2 plus root 7 divided by 2 root 2 minus root 7 into 2 root 2 plus root 7. 2 root 2 plus root 7. Rationalize the denominator of each. Plus root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. Then minus root 6 plus root 5 upon root 6 minus root 5, root 6 minus root 5 into root 6 plus root 5, root 6 plus root 5. Clear? Plus root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2, root 5 plus 2. So let me write, so that will be 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 3 square is 9. What is 2 root 2 square? 8. 9 minus 8. Minus 2 root 2 plus root 7 upon 2 root 2 square 8. 8 minus 7. Then plus root 7 plus root 6. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. Minus root 6 plus root 5 upon 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 upon 6 minus 5 upon 6 minus 5 हाँ, 5 minus 4, last it will be root 5 plus 2 upon 5 minus 4. Last will be plus root 5 plus 2 upon 5 minus 4. So let us simplify. That will be 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus, yes, all the denominators they are 1. I will take one more minute. All the denominator will be 1, my dear. 1 minus 2 root 2 plus root 7 upon 1 plus root 7 plus root 6 upon 1 minus root 6 plus root 5 upon 1 plus root 5 plus 2 upon 1. Now whenever denominator is 1, you can simplify the numerator. Numerator it will be 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2, open the bracket, minus plus minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6, then minus root 6 minus root 5, then plus root 5 plus 2. Now you see which term get cancelled. Plus 2 root 2 get cancelled with minus 2 root 2, minus root 7 get cancelled with root 7, plus root 6 get cancelled with minus root 6, minus root 5 get cancelled with plus root 5. What is left? Answer left is 3 plus 2. Answer is 5. Yes, which is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Correct? Yes. Hence it is verified. Yes, now we are having one more period. 6th period. We'll continue. Yes, no problem. You can separate each one of them and then substitute the value. No problem. So now let us see in the last period. Yes, now we stop here. Yes. Wherever I have written, consider that you can write as LHS. Wherever I have written, consider that you can write LHS, and this is my RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Yes, now we stop here. Bye everybody. See you in the last period. 6. Bye. 6. Bye. Bye.